Please write down these questions. AB into cat replica questions. AB into A minus B is 45045. A and B are natural numbers. Some people will say ignore the domain. For me, strict no. There is a root cause of the problem. AB into A minus B is 45045. I will come to the doubt what if tens place is even, because I want every student sitting in the class to understand the number tree. Number tree is not the first page in your fundamentals book. Excellent questions can be prepared. A and B are natural numbers. A is even, B is odd. Next case, A is odd, B is even. Next case, A is even, B is even. Next case, A is odd, B is odd. So, even into odd into, even minus odd is odd. Any number multiplied by an even number, answer should be an even number. It is odd into even into odd minus even is odd. Answer is still even. Even into even minus even is even. Answer should be an even number. Odd into odd minus odd is an even number. Any number multiplied by even, answer is an even number. The person who created this question, he does not even understood that silly thing students will identify. This is an odd number, but the right hand side is an even number. Answer is no value. Answer is no value of x comma y exists. Please try to solve only quality questions in your coaching center. See, when you solve quality questions the way, right, your understanding of the concept will grow. No value of x comma y exists. First question, I hope it is clear. Right, what is the method for odd powers? We will discuss. Right. Sir, how would we solve if we have the number ending with odd number in right hand side? Everything we will solve, sir. Right? You keep asking me as many doubts as possible in the live chat. Hopefully, I will try to clarify as many as possible, because I am growing as a teacher only through clarifying the doubts. Right. What if the number is an even number? Now, if the number is an even number, right? Right, if the number is an even number, just basic idea I am giving you. A into B into A minus B. It is, right, for example 1, 2, 3, 6. By looking at the question you can say they both will not have, right, same unit digit. 1, 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Right, 2, 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Right, next one, 3, 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. 9, 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. A and B will not have the similar unit digit. This is very clear. This is very clear. Next one, right, in case if it is A is 6, B is 1, A minus B. I am not solving this question, I am just giving you an idea. This is 5. 6 5s are 30. Not possible. Any difference 5? Not possible, because it will make unit digit 0. Like that you have to take cases. If this question is asked in CAT exam, if Anil Nair is solving this question, what I will do is, in the first innings, I will not solve this question, because in competitive examination, it is not an exam of attempting questions. Right? Please listen carefully to this one. It is not an exam of attempting questions. It is also an exam of rejecting difficult questions. It is an exam of rejecting difficult questions. Because I did not discuss algebra, for me at the beginning of the class it's a difficult question, but when I discuss equations with functions and everything, then you will understand it's an easy question. Competitive exam is not an exam of attempting all the question, it is also an exam of rejecting few difficult questions. One mantra to succeed in competitive exam is start the game like Sehwag, end the game like a Dhoni. End the game like a Dhoni. This is one principle every competitive exam aspirant should come to know. Next. Next. I hope it is clear. Next one. Please write down, sir. Please write down. I hope it is clear. Now, one more question. One more question. Please write down, sir. This is a management exam question. Right? I will take bank, SSC, right? Original questions as well as management exam questions. AB into CD is 1073. BA into CD is 2117. What is AB plus CD? Options 63, 65, 66, 67. 63, 65, 66, 67. AB and CD are two-digit numbers. I will tweak the question. AB and CD are two-digit numbers. Listen carefully. AB and CD are two-digit numbers. Now, this is an original management exam question. You can check it out in previous year CAT paper. 1073. It is an odd number. It is an odd number. So, AB will be an odd number. Odd into odd only will give you odd. CD is also an odd number. CD is also an odd number. Odd into odd only gives me odd. What is odd plus odd? What is odd plus odd? Even number. Only one option is there, which is of the form 66. A smart guy immediately puts it in live chat. Anil Anna, what if it is 62? What if it is 62? Now see here. If it is 62, 62 is incorrect. 62 is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? AB into CD is 1073. What is the unit digit? Unit digit is 3. From where I will get a 3? This should be 1 or this should be 3. 1 3s are 3. Or you take the tens complement, you will get 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 sevens are 63. Concept. Listen carefully. Concept. 2 into 9 is 18. Unit digit is 8. Take the tens complement. 10 minus 2 is 8. What is 10 minus 9? It is 1. Still the unit digit is same. Please write down this example. Write down this example. One more. 4 into 7 is 28. Tens complement. 10 minus 4 6. 10 minus 7 3. 6 3s are 18. Please write this concept. If you do not know any of these concepts, right, I think you need to sit and analyze how your preparation is going wrong. Last education of your life, please don't ruin it. Last attempt for your competitive exams, don't spoil it. When you are a final year engineering student, right, by the time you complete your engineering, you got a lot of dreams to make it into world's best school or India's best school or best government job or any dream. Go for it and make it happen. Go for it and make it happen. Now, 1 3s are 3. Now if you see here, what is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 is 4. Unit digit. What is the next one? 9 plus 7 is 16. Unit digit is 6. It is there. Please put in another option 64, which I will discuss after some time. I hope it is clear. AB into CD is 1073. 1 3s are 3. 9 7s are 63. 1 plus 3 is 4. Unit digit should be 4 or unit digit is 6. By looking at the question itself, right, it is eliminated. It is eliminated. Put a star mark on this question. I will again come back to this question. I will again come back to this question. Right. Next. I hope it is clear. Right. How you cancelled 62, Rohan, right? 62. Listen carefully, Rohan. AB into CD is 1073. Unit digit in the right hand side is 3. So this will be 1 3s are 3. 9 7s are 63. To get the right hand side 3, unit digit is 1, unit digit is 3. 1 3s are 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. 9 plus 7 is 16. Unit digit should end with 6 or unit digit should end with 4. Unit digit should end with 6 or unit digit ending with 4. Right? Gautam, I will discuss this question. Right hand side could be an even number also. I will just discuss. I wrote your doubt in my notebook. I will again get back to you. Right? Next. I hope it is clear. Next. Please write down, sir. Write down. Write down. These are last 5-10 minutes are little high level questions. Now I will increase. Please write down. Please write down this question. How many 20 to 28 percentage is the syllabus for number system. If you think just reading theory you will get good marks, please prove me wrong. How many 2-digit perfect squares? Listen carefully. How many 2-digit perfect squares? How many 2 digits perfect squares end with? First question 29. How many 2-digit perfect squares ends with 29? It is a perfect square. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place, right? Okay. First write down 19. Answer is no value. Then we will take 29. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place should be an even number. But according to the question, tens place is an odd number. Easy question. Then write down 29. How many 2-digit perfect squares ends with 29? Now, this I kept, Ajay sir has discussed wonderfully, which I kept it in a YouTube. I am discussing again. Please listen carefully. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square has same last 2 digits. Please write down this. This is already kept as a shortcut video in our YouTube channel. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square has same last 2 digits. For example, if x is 4, x square will become 16. I will discuss in my after dinner class the proof also. 50 plus x, it will become 54 square. If you apply a plus b whole square, 2916, last 2 digits are same. If you do 50 minus x whole square, 50 minus 4, 46 square, which is 2116. Again the last 2 digits are same. 100 minus 4, 96 square, which is 9216. Again the last 2 digits are same. Please write down this point. X square. This is present in our YouTube shortcut video. Neha, I will explain. Anything which I think I need to discuss in another concept, I am wantedly ignoring it. Right? I will again get back to you. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square has the same last 2 digits. Last 2 digits will be same. In case if any student who is working, in case if you are listening to the class, tomorrow I am going to take another probably 2 to 4 hour session. Please do not miss any class. Bunk your coaching center, sit here. I will make you teach the teacher. Just follow whatever I am saying, sir. Right? I don't want any student to do research. I have already done enough research. And that is quite evident when you ask a doubt. Right? I will tell the solution immediately. Now, this is the logic. Now see here. How many 2-digit perfect squares ends with 29? What is the smallest number which on square ends with 29? 23 square is 529. So the next number will be 50 minus 23. This is 27 square. Next number will be 50 plus 23, which is 73 square. Next number will be 100 minus 23, which is 77 square. You don't need to solve this. In case if you want to solve, 27 square 729, 73 square 5329, 77 square 5929. This is 5929 and 23 square 27 square is 729. X square, find out the smallest number which on square I will get 29 at the end. Smallest number. Suppose if the question is 16. How many two-digit perfect squares ends with 16? 4 square is 16. What will be the answer? 50 minus 4 square. 50 plus 4 square, 100 minus 4 square, 100 plus 4 square is, 104 square is 10816. Question, how many two-digit perfect squares ends with 44? Easy question. 12 square, 144. 50 minus 12, 38 square. 50 plus 12, 62 square. 100 minus 12, 88 square. What is the answer? 3. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. I hope it is clear. Start creating your own questions. Start creating your own questions. To all the people who are watching me for the first time, right? Just to follow whatever I am saying, sir. I will take you to a very different level altogether. I will take you to the different level altogether, sir. Just to follow every problem. Most of the concepts you will not find. To all the students who are going to write various competitive examination, trust me, take this word. Anil Nair Classes YouTube channel will be the channel which will make you reach top 1%. Trust my experience. 1644. I hope it is clear. Next. Now, I want you to say this answer very quickly, right? Let other students. Vinod, 104 square is, question is 10816. But the question is, how many two-digit perfect squares? How many two-digit perfect squares? How many two-digit perfect squares? Please write down another question. Another one. I hope it is clear. Start creating your own questions. Find the, please write down. Any student who joined our YouTube live classes very late, from past 2 to 3 weeks, we have done close to minimum 10 to 12 sessions. Because of request, I am again starting the session, which was my first YouTube live class. Find the last two digits for 189 square. 189 square is nothing but 100 minus 11 square. X square 100 minus x square. 11 square is 121. Answer is 21. Find the last two digits for 47 square. Don't waste your time. 47 is 50 minus 3 square. 50 minus x square and x square last two digits is same. Answer is 09. Find the last two digits for 62 square. 62 is nothing but 50 plus 12 whole square. 50 plus x square and x square will have last two digits same. 12 square is 144. Find the last two digits for 96 power 4. 96 power 4 is 96 square whole square. 96 square last two digits is 4 square. 4 square whole square. 16 square is 256. 256. Find the last two digits for 108 power 4, which is 108 square whole square. 108 square is 8 square whole square. 64 square. 64. 50 plus 14. 14 square is 196. 196. 196. Shruti, question is last two digits. So whether it is greater than 100, less than 100, any multiple, it does not make any difference. Please do not copy what is there in my things. Right? If you are a true student of Anil Nair, learn the concept, start creating your own question. If you start creating your own question, you will get a doubt. If you get a doubt, I am there to clarify the doubt. I am frustrated with seeing a lot of coaching centers where a person will come with a sheet. He will tell you 50 minutes to solve the problems. Some people will solve, some people will not solve. At the end, he will dictate the answer key. He will solve 10 to 15 questions, right? And people there are students in villages who want to get into IIM, sir. In that village, probably the good teacher is not there. If it is there, then the student is lucky. Right? What I can give to my students other than sharing knowledge? Right? 108 square. Neha, 108 is 100 plus 8 whole square. Right? 8 square, 64. 64 square is 14 square, 196. Right? Tarun, if you use the trick Anil sir explained, we are getting all the possible numbers whose square ends with same last two digits. There can be any other number also less than 100. Tarun, no. There cannot be any other number ending with the same things. Why? Because, please write down this, Tarun. Why? I will explain in my tonight after dinner class. Last two digits of a number, n is the remainder when you divide a number by 100. Remainder when you divide a number by 100. Right. Last two digits of a number, remainder when you divide a number by 100. That is the reason only 3 more numbers you will get it. Now, a student asked me when I was taking my first live class, sir, it is applicable for square. What about cube? What about cube? Please write down. Note. Yes. Pawan Reddy. Yes, I will discuss that question. Thank you for reminding. This question will take probably less than a minute to solve if you understand whatever I said. AABB is a perfect square. AABB is a perfect square. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? Now see here. Pawan, this is for you. It is a perfect square. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square cannot end with 1 because any perfect square ending with 1, tens place should be even. A perfect square cannot end with 5 here. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place has to be 2. Both should be of the same nature and both should be equal. A perfect square cannot end with 6. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place is an odd number. Odd and even. But the question is BB, both should be same. Any perfect square ending with 9, tens place should be an even number. 7 square 49. It cannot be 0. Because if it is 0, this will become 0, 0. Next will become 1100, 2200 till 9900. All these contains only one multiple of 11. For a perfect square, even number of 11s should be there. Even number of 11s should be there. 22 is 2 into 11, only one 11 is there. So the only case possible is 4. B is 4. Both should be same. That is the reason we discussed this model. It is 44. 44 means 12 square is 144. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12, 50 plus 12, 100 minus 12. I don't take any question, right, without giving you the idea how to solve a difficult question. 38 square, which is 1444, which has already answered our question. ABB is a perfect square, which I said a question mark. 62 square, 3849. 88 square 7744. This is the number. A is 7, B is 4. A is 7, B is 4. If you observe, only one concept I discussed, a plus b whole square, then I discussed perfect square, then I discussed perfect square, never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then I discussed other logics. Then I discussed other logics. Pawan, I hope it is clear. Right? Yadu, what if 5 or 6 digits with 3 or 4 digits power is given? Right? 3 or 4 digits power is given, which I am going to explain. There is a special 2 hours class tomorrow, right, on finding the last 2 digits. Timing I will announce at the end. Right? How you got equivalent to 7? To Kallur and to Shashidhar, I will refer good mathematical books, right? If you ask me personally which book you refer, I refer 3 books, which is Google Book 1, YouTube Book 2, and Wikipedia Book 3. I am a person who reads a lot in Wikipedia to understand the root cause of the problem. But in case, 1 minute, if you want, still I will refer some books. The book which I think is a very good book, which I told to some of my students is, right, any mathematical book for fundamentals, NCERT, CBSE and ICSE, these are one very, very good books, but the teacher should explain at the right the glossary. It is not solving the problems. This is for fundamentals. If you want to know how great is mathematics, you can ask Ajay sir to send that book. The name of the book is Secrets of Mental Maths. By Arthur Benjamin. He is my hero. He can find the square of a 4-digit, 5-digit very quickly. I think he is close to about 45 or 46. I am 32. Hopefully I should be able to beat him in the next few years. Next, in case if you still want, I really don't know if you get this book at one shot, right? Hungarian Book of Mathematics. This is, people will say it is one of the worst book, but according to me, it is one of the best book. This is one such book where 98% of the pages present in the book contains theory. People are not able to digest the fact that mathematics contains only theory. This book I used to refer it from 2007 to 2011 during my initial days of teaching, right? Probably this book has helped me a lot to write close to 13 books. To all the students who are listening to me for the first time, I am an author of 13 books. NCERT, CBSE, ICSE. Next, I hope it is clear. Right, now, I hope it is clear. Now, this is one thing. Where are we? Last 2 digits we discussed. Now see, Ajay, in case if you are there in the live chat, if any of my students ask that book, please send the PDF to that students. Right? Please send that book. Now, I hope it is clear. Now, where are we? How to find the last 2 digits, perfect squares and everything. Now, please write down one question which we did not discussed. How many 4-digit perfect squares are there? First question. How many 4-digit perfect squares are there? Where the first 2 digits is a prime number and the next 2 digits is a prime number. This was my first doubt. AB is a prime, CD is a prime. Again I am telling to all the students who are watching the video, I don't discuss formula based questions. If you don't find any logic in any of my questions, please put it in the live chat. Right? Right? ABCD is a 4-digit perfect square. Kanna, see here. CD is a prime number. That means D should be an odd number. D should be an odd number. Other than 2, there is no even prime number. So odd number. That means 0 is not possible. 2 is not possible. 4 is not possible. 6 is not possible. 8 is not possible. 5 is also not possible. Because if the unit digit is 5, the number will be divisible by 5. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 not possible. So it can be 1. What is the next case? It can be 3. It can be 7 and it can be 9. 1, 3, 7, 9. It is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. Right? A perfect square will not end with 3 or 7. A perfect square will not end with 3 or 7. It is ending with 1. What is the nature of a perfect square ending with 1? Tens place will be even. 0, 1, 21, 41, 61, 81. These are all the values. But CD is a prime number. 81 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. 21 is not a prime number. 41 and 61. 2 cases. Here, what is the smallest number on square I will get? 21 square is 441. 50 minus 21. 29 square, which is 841. 100 minus 21. 79 square. 79 square. This will also not satisfy this condition. You can cross check. 0, 1 over. Next it is 9. Any perfect square ending with 9. Tens place should be even. 0, 9, 29, 49, 69, 89. 89. This is a prime number. This is a prime number. This is 69. 69 is not a prime number. What is the smallest? That is the reason I discussed that first question. 23 square is 529. 50 minus 23. 100 minus 23. 50 plus 23. Here I will get two numbers. 73 square is 5329. 77 square is 5929. I hope it is clear. Similarly, I did it for 29. You can try it for 89. 17 square is 289. 50 minus 17. 50 plus 17. 100 minus 17. None of them will satisfy. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Right? Please send your WhatsApp message to Ajay sir. He will WhatsApp you, sir. Mail again, it will take some time. Mail again, it will take some time. I hope advanced level question is clear. I hope advanced level question is clear. One more question. This is actual number system. If you think reading prime number he has got only 2 factors, substituting and doing it, thank you. Right? Next, please write down another question. Another question. Any student who is watching my video, if you watch for one class, right, you will not feel like attending any other teacher's class. In case if you are in love with conceptual clarity. Hemant, don't keep the number in a public forum, right? Yesterday night there was a disturbance that was created. That is the reason my technical team is banning a lot of people who are doing nonsense things. WhatsApp Ajay. Ajay is available at 77957 3445. Ajay, in case if you are there, right, please reply back to Hemant. Another question. Management exam or a bank exam is not a difficult exam, it is a different exam. Any student sitting in the class, if you hate any subject, the only reason you hate the subject is you hate the teacher who is teaching the subject. You hate the teacher who is teaching the subject. The role of a teacher is to make the student like the subject and love the learning. Then learning the subject is never difficult. Any subject, sir. Learning the subject is never difficult. This is what at least I believe in. Next question. Please write down one more. Please write down one more. Sir, to all the students, I do not have sheet. I don't carry a sheet. You put the doubt, I will create a question and I will explain. Next. Write down one more question. How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares has a tens place 3? Please write down another variety. How many 4-digit perfect squares has a tens place 3? These, most of the students, these came in one of the mocks, right, from the reputed organization. Half page solution is there. This is a 20-second problem. Tens place 3. This should be 3. A perfect square will never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It cannot end with 0. Any perfect square ending with 1, tens place is even number. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place is an even number. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place is always 2. So what is the number left? It cannot be 9 also. Tens place is even. This is 6. 36. 6 square is 36. 50 minus 6. 50 plus 6. 100 minus 6. How many numbers? 3 numbers. Finish. Please write down. Please write down, sir. How many 4-digit perfect squares has a tens place 3? A perfect square. What is the concept? We did not use it. Every line which I am saying it in the class, I am using it in problems. We should use it in problems and maximize our score. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It ends with 0. Tens place should be an even number. Same case for 4, same case for 9. It cannot end with 5. Tens place has to be 2. 44, 56, 94. I hope it is clear. Right? We will do one more question. This I did with tens place odd number. Second question. This is the first one. Second one. Tens place even number. Tens place even number. Wherever state you are in, whichever place you are in, right? Just come online whenever the class happens, listen freely as much as possible and make your dreams come true and make your parents proud. Tens place 4. Directly. This is 4. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It cannot end with 0. It cannot end with 6. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place is even. It cannot end with, right, 0, 1, 1 it can end with. Perfect square ending with 1, tens place can be an even. 21 square is 441. Next numbers, 50 minus 21, 100 minus 21, 50 plus 21. First case. Next, if it is 4, 4 also it can end. Already we discussed. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12, 50 plus 12, 100 minus 12. 4 also is possible. 9 also is possible. 49. 7 square 49. 100 minus 7. 50 minus 7. 50 plus 7. You have to be extremely good in speed calculations to get these answers very fast. To get these answers very fast. Initially you will think I am fast, but by the time the class is over, I will make you solve problems fast. Right? None of these questions, none of these logics you will find in any traditional books. Please open the book and see whether this logic is available in e-book. Then come and discuss with me. Then come and discuss with me. Next, please write down, sir. Next one. I hope it is clear. See, simple concept of perfect squares, right? How it is useful. Next, please write down next. How to find conceptual clarity greater than mindless problem solving. How to find the cube of a number. Then square itself we solved this much. Cube also will solve good number of questions. To find the cube of a number, I will use a plus b whole cube, which is a cube. Next is 3a square b. Next is 3ab square. Next is b cube. Suppose if I take 32 whole cube. 32 whole cube. A is 3, b is 2. If a is 3, b is 2. A cube. Next is 3a square b. Next is 3ab square. Next is b cube. This is 27. This is 54. This is 36. 2 cube is 8. Write down the unit digit 8. Write down the unit digit 6. 3 carried. 54 plus 3, 57. 7. 5 carried. 27 plus 5 is 32. Answer is 32768. 32768. Please write down. A plus b whole cube. A is 3, b is 2. A cube. 3a square b. 3ab square b cube. Write down the unit digit 8. Write down the unit digit 6. 3 carried. 54 plus 3, 57. 7. 5 carried. What is 27 plus 5? 32. 32. I hope it is clear. This is for a smaller numbers. Sir, how about bigger numbers? How to use 4% successively 3 times? Right? How to do it? Now another logic. This is how to find the cube of a number. Now next one, which is extremely used in your compound interest. Please write down. Please write down. How to find the cube of a number. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. Number. First logic. First listen, sir. You will be able to say the answer orally. B plus x whole cube is b plus 3x slash 3x square slash x cube. This is nothing but a plus b whole cube, where a is of the form 10 power k. Last 2 places should be in k digits. Last 2 places should be in k digits. I want everyone to listen carefully this. I am going to use this in CI. First question, 104 whole cube. 104 whole cube. This is nothing but 100 plus 4 power 3. B plus x power 3. This is b plus 3x. Next is 3x square. Next is x cube. 100 plus 12 is 112. 16 3s are 48. 4 cube is 64. 100 is 10 square. Last 2 places 2 digits. 64 is a 2 digit number. 48 is a 2 digit number. So answer is 1124864. 1124864. 1124864. 1124864. Right? Many believe that our YouTube channel will become one of the most popular channels. People started promoting their things. Good. 1124864. 100 plus 4 whole cube. 100 plus 3 into 4. 3 into 4 square. 4 cube. 1124864. Last 2 places. I will do as many problems as possible. This is the first one, right? Good content will definitely go viral, sir. 1124864. Second, 104 whole cube we did. Next one. Listen carefully. Slowly I will increase the level of difficulty. 1002 whole cube. 1002 whole cube. This is nothing but 1000 plus 2. 1000 plus 2 power 3. Right? B plus 3x. Next is 3x square. Next is x cube. 1000 plus 6 is 1006. 4 3s are 12. 2 cube is 8. 1000 is 10 power 3. Last two places should have 3 digits. 8 in 3 digits, 008. 1 2 in 3 digits, 012. Now it is 1006. Answer is 1006 012 008. 1001, right? Swati, yes, there is a technique without using these notation which I will discuss. There is a technique which can be used if answer options are there. I will discuss, Swati. I wrote this question in my notebook. I have a habit of writing all students' doubts in my notebook, right? Probably in the last 12 years, close to about 30-40 long notebooks are over, which contains only the doubts asked by students. I feel I will learn only when I clarify the doubts. This is my belief system. 1006 012 008. I will come back to it, you Swati. Just give me some time. Third one. Listen carefully. Third question. Sir, now what we will do is, we will try to answer this question orally. You can do it, sir. If you can't do it, nobody can do it. 1003 whole cube. What will be the first step? 1000 plus 3 into 3. Next is 3 into 3 square. Next is 3 cube. 27 in 3 digits, 027. 27 in 3 digits, 027. This is 1009. 1009. Suppose if the question is 104 whole cube, directly I can write 100 plus 4 whole cube, 112. 3 into 4 square, right? 48, 2 digits. Already we did this question, right? So I will change the question. 102 whole cube. 100 plus 6, 106. 3 into 2 square, 12. 8 in 3 digits, 08. 3 digits, 08. Now, Swati, this is for you. 1003 whole cube. 1003. Use a digital sum. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 cube is 64. 6 plus 4 is 10. Question digital sum is 1. Answer should also be 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 12, 19, 21, 28. 2 plus 8 is 10. Digital sum is 1. Digital sum is 1. Digital sum is 1. One more, Swati. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 cube is 27. 2 plus 7, 9. 1 plus 6, 7. 8, 10, 18. 18 digital sum is 9. 18 digital sum is 9. But digital sum is 9. Now, please write down the question, sir. Please write down a question. Write down a question. Write down a question. Find the number of digits, not the value. Find the number of digits. Find the number of digits for the perfect cubes given below. Find the number of digits for the perfect cubes given below. How to check whether a number is a perfect cube or not, that also we will discuss. All the given numbers are perfect cubes. He is not asking the answer. He is asking how many digits are there in the question. Step number 1. Because it is cubed root, put a slash after 3 digits. A group is a group which should contain maximum 3 digits. This is one group, 1 digit will come. 2 can be written as 002. Another group. How many groups are there? That many digits will be there in the answer. Answer will have 2 digits. Answer will have 2 digits. Second question. Cube the root of 1012, 048, 064. 1012, 048, 064. Answer will be after 3. After 3. After 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer will have 4 digits. Please do not miss any single line of mine. Any single line of mine. Right? Swati, if answer option contains same digital sum, that is the reason I discussed that concept, right? Otherwise, I would have discussed only digital sum. That is the reason you should respect the traditional method, but also keep an eye on answer option. Right? You should know the models and you should keep an eye on answer option. 4 digits.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.